Crash course on the American economy and its current challenges and innovations. Is recession, depression coming now? The American economy is the largest and most powerful in the world. It is a market-oriented economy, characterized by private enterprise and a free market system. The United States has a mixed economy, meaning that it includes elements of both capitalism and socialism. One of the biggest challenges facing the American economy is income inequality. The gap between the rich and poor has been growing steadily for decades, with the wealthiest 1% of Americans now holding more wealth than the bottom 90% combined. This has led to social and political unrest, with many calling for increased taxation on the wealthy and greater investment in social programs. Another challenge facing the American economy is automation and job displacement. As technology advances, many low-skilled jobs are being replaced by machines, leading to unemployment and economic uncertainty for millions of Americans. This has led to calls for greater investment in education and job training programs to prepare workers for the jobs of the future. In recent years, the American economy has been facing the challenge of economic inequality, particularly in light of the COVID-19 pandemic. The pandemic has disproportionately affected low-income workers and minorities, leading to calls for increased government intervention and stimulus measures. Despite these challenges, the American economy remains innovative and dynamic. The United States is home to some of the world's most successful companies, including Apple, Amazon, and Google. These companies are driving innovation and growth, creating new jobs and driving economic development. In terms of whether a recession or depression is coming now, it's difficult to predict. The American economy has experienced several economic downturns throughout its history, with the most recent being the Great Recession of 2008. However, the economy has also shown remarkable resilience and has bounced back from past recessions. Innovation is key to the success of the American economy, and there are many exciting new technologies and industries on the horizon. These include renewable energy, artificial intelligence, and biotechnology, which have the potential to transform the economy and create new opportunities for growth. One example of innovation in the American economy is Tesla, the electric car company founded by entrepreneur Elon Musk. Tesla is leading the charge in the transition to clean energy, with its electric cars and solar panels helping to reduce carbon emissions and combat climate change. Another example is Airbnb, the online platform that allows people to rent out their homes and apartments to travelers. Airbnb has disrupted the hotel industry and created new opportunities for homeowners to earn extra income. Here are top 12 American economic sectors, leading the world. 1. Technology. The United States is home to some of the world's most successful technology companies, including Apple, Amazon, and Google. These companies drive innovation and growth, creating new jobs and driving economic development. 2. Finance. The U.S. financial sector is the largest and most sophisticated in the world, with Wall Street playing a central role in global finance. 3. Healthcare. The U.S. healthcare sector is the largest in the world and is expected to continue to grow as the population ages. 4. Energy. The United States is a major producer of oil and natural gas, as well as a leader in renewable energy technologies such as wind and solar power. 5. Retail. The U.S. retail sector is one of the largest in the world, with companies like Walmart and Target dominating the market. 6. Aerospace. The U.S. aerospace industry is a leader in innovation and technology, with companies like Boeing and SpaceX at the forefront of space exploration. 7. Defense. The U.S. defense industry is the largest in the world, with a significant portion of the federal budget going towards military spending. 8. Manufacturing. The United States is a major manufacturer of automobiles, electronics, and other consumer goods. 9. Agriculture. The U.S. agriculture industry is a major exporter of crops such as soybeans and corn, as well as livestock products like beef and pork. 10. Tourism. The U.S. is a top tourist destination, with millions of visitors coming to see landmarks like the Grand Canyon and the Statue of Liberty each year. 11. Education. The U.S. is a leader in higher education, with top universities attracting students from around the world. 12. Construction. The U.S. construction industry is a major contributor to the economy, building homes, offices, and other infrastructure projects. Each of these sectors plays a significant role in the American economy and contributes to the country's global economic leadership. In conclusion, while the American economy faces challenges such as income inequality and job displacement, it remains innovative and dynamic. The economy has a history of resilience and has shown the ability to bounce back from past recessions. With continued investment in education and job training programs, and a focus on innovation and growth, the American economy has the potential to continue to lead the world in the 21st century. Here is a poem on American economic systems and potential recession, depression. The American economy, so strong and proud, has faced many challenges, both quiet and loud. From the Great Depression to the Great Recession, our country has weathered each economic session. The stock market crashes and housing bubbles burst, leaving many Americans feeling the worst. But with each challenge, we have persevered, finding new solutions to alleviate the fear. Innovation and technology have led the way, creating new industries and jobs each day. From Silicon Valley to Wall Street's sway, our economy continues to display. But now we face a new challenge at hand. The pandemic has swept across the land, with businesses closing and people losing jobs. The economy's future is shrouded in fog. Recession or depression, only time will tell. But we must face this challenge, and face it well. We must come together, innovate and create, to rebuild our economy and make it great. The American spirit will not be undone. We will rise again, just like the sun. With resilience and strength, we will forge ahead and overcome this challenge, that much is said. ******. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences America has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to North America, please ensure to use our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid equals 7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you, AnHub Metaverse team.